How can you minimize risk and maximize process efficiency when you're ready to move to commercial manufacturing? If you're on that journey from clinical to commercial manufacturing, you know it's an exciting but a complex one. How can the collaboration with your CDMO help you being successful? I'm Sébastien Ribault, head of the end-to-end CDMO services, and I'm delighted to invite Kira Ivanova from R-Pharm to join me to discuss the risks and challenges on processes moving to the commercial stage. Please join us to discuss single-use manufacturing.